Hola a todos y bienvenidos a mi canal. Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Victoria and this is the Spanish Express. In today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to introduce yourself and how to ask someone what's your name in Spanish. ¿Estás listo? Are you ready? Let's get started. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? Repeat with me. ¿Cómo te llamas? This means, what's your name? Or if you want a more literal translation, how are you called? El verbo llamarse, the verb llamarse, means to be called. To answer this question, you can always say your name. ¿Cómo te llamas? Victoria. But if you want the long version, you can always say me llamo and then your name. To ask the question back, you can say ¿y tú? ¿Y tú? Or ¿y vos? ¿Y vos? If you don't know the difference yet between tú and vos, don't worry because you can check out my recent video about el voceo rioplatense. Before I move forward, I would like to point out that there are different ways of pronouncing the double L sound in Spanish, and while in some countries it sounds more like an E, como te llamas, llamas. In other countries it sounds more like a soft j. Como te llamas, llamas. In other countries like Uruguay and Argentina, it's more like a strong sh, like in shower or shampoo, or like when you're shushing someone, shh. Como te llamas? Llamas. I will make a video in the future explaining this a little bit better, but for the moment I just wanted to let you know that it doesn't matter which one you prefer, you can use them all, you can use the one that's easier for you because all of them are correct, all of them are accepted by La Real Academia Española, but in my videos I'm going to stick to my Uruguayan accent and I'm going to say llamas, como te llamas. I'm going to pronounce all three possibilities one more time so you get used to the sound. Llamas, 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 llamas. Another way of asking this question is ¿cuál es tu nombre? ¿Cuál es tu nombre? This also means what's your name? Y la respuesta and the answer, muy fácil, super easy. Mi nombre es, and then your name, mi nombre es Victoria. Sometimes people may also ask, ¿quién eres tú? ¿Quién eres tú? Who are you? Soy, and your name, soy Victoria. ¿Y tú? ¿Y vos? If you're meeting someone for the first time, it is polite to say mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. This means nice to meet you. And how do you reply that? You can reply with the exact same phrase. Mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. Another possibility is to say el gusto es mío. El gusto es mío. The pleasure is mine. Another way is to say encantado, encantada, encantado or encantada de conocerte. Can you repeat with me? Encantado, encantada, encantado or encantada de conocerte. All these three possibilities mean nice to meet you. But what's the difference between them? As some of you may already know, in Spanish we have two different genders, dos géneros, masculino y femenino, the masculine form and the feminine form. So, if you're introducing yourself to someone and you identify yourself as male, you're going to say encantado, which is the masculine form. In my case, I identify myself as female, so I'm going to use the feminine form, encantada. And what about encantado or encantada de conocerte? It's also nice to meet you, but it's just the long version of saying that. Now let's have a little chat in Spanish, you and me. Hola! Now your turn. ¿Cuál es tu nombre? Mi nombre es Victoria, encantada de conocerte. Bien hecho, well done. De deberes as homework, I would like you to introduce yourself in the comment section down below. Muchas gracias, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell so you get a notification every time I post a new video. If you have any suggestions or any ideas for future videos, just let me know. Hasta la próxima, chao chao.